Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these solar pool lights. These are a double-headed fish with multicolor changing. They are IP68 waterproof. These are really nice lights to install in your pool. Alright, so right here we've got our pool lights. These are LED, so it is controlled by the LED function. It does come with a remote control. This is a double header which has fishes. You can save money by using these solar powered. It has a 4,000 milliamp Type-C charging port. You can enjoy the lights on rainy or cloudy days. So first off, right here you do get the solar panel. This does have the connection wire to connect to the fish lights. So on the back of the panel, you see the on and off switch. You have a mode switch. So you take this wire and you would connect it to the fishes. So this is a really nice solar panel. Inside the box, you do get a remote control. You also get the lawn mounting as well as a wall mounting. So right here is the instructions manual. Basically tells you what size of pool, what you need. These are the owner's instructions about the solar panels, about the lights, what comes in the package. You also do get some glue to connect to your pool. You also get a remote control. So this remote control gives you the option to use a timer. You can change the colors. You've got the speed up, a speed down, you've got the auto, you have flash, you have different modes that you can change. Right here is the lawn mounting accessories, and you also get the glue, plus you have the little magnetic strip. Those ones are magnetized to the pool itself. These are auto working up to 8 to 12 hours after full of charge. So right here inside this is the actual lights themselves. These are super nice. You can control these by remote control. You can create playful and colorful pools with the different colors. So the fish themselves are 7.3 inches long by 6 inches high. It is a double, so you get two of them. So it's a total of 177-inch wire, so you can go from one side of your pool to the other side of the pool. It does come with two glue adhesives as well as two magnetic clips that clip onto the back of these into your pool. These actually use LED lighting, which makes it a lot more brighter. So these are a double fish styling system. It has the RGB color, which is multiple light colors. They're adjustable and can be accelerated. You can cycle through the color change and will make your pool look super nice. So when you want to connect this to the solar panel, all you have to do is take this blue wire and connect it to the solar panel. So you can see the solar panel right there. It has a clip at the bottom. That one is actually wall mounted if you want to. So we're just going to click on the power button, and then you've got the mode. In order for these to work, you actually have to cover the solar panel, because in its mind it's thinking that it's charging. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it face down. Once it's face down, not next to any light, it should automatically turn on. So now that it's down, you can see that the lights are turning on. So when it's facing the sun, it will turn off. So right now that it is off, you can change the mode by remote, and you can also change it by the solar panel. So we have different flickering lights. You can save money on your electric bill by just using the solar feature to light up your pool. So it says that the pool can run around 8 hours on a single charge. So 8 to 10 hours, because it does have a 4,000 milliamp rechargeable pool light battery. So and then this remote control, you can change the lights. You can go with flash modes: red, green, blue, orange, yellow, pink, purple, and then you can increase or decrease the intensity. This is a super nice solar light. I like the fact that it does come with two of them. It is a cute little fish, so you can put one on each side. So instead of having to plug this in, you can use the natural resource of the sun to completely charge your light, so it can run during the night while there is no sun. And it also is easy to install. It has a built-in magnetic suction device for easy and quick installation. So the magnetics that do go on the back of these lights also connect to the back of the pool. You can actually glue them on, or you can just use the magnetic feature. So this is the remote control. I'm going to put that down, and I'm going to show you the little magnetic things. So it goes right here on the back of this. You got to flip it where this little round thing goes right in there, and it clips, so that holds it to the pool. You can glue this to the pool. It is recommended when you do glue it to the pool, make sure your pool level is lower than this so it can dry. So this plastic thing, I'm saying using this as the pool liner, it just connects there, and then you can pull it off. So it does connect, and it is a very strong magnetic, so it will stay there. this is a really nice system. I like the fact that it does come with a solar panel, so you don't have to worry about using any electricity. You can use the natural resource of the sun. It is super cute. I like the fact that it does come with a remote control. You can either install it on a wall or you can install it on the ground. So this is the ground installation adapter. So the one at the top is if you want to install it on a wall, which more than likely most people would want to install it on the wall. But whichever way you want to install it, it does have enough wire to go wall mounted, or if you want to install it into the ground. This does have a USB charging port right here. So if you have a phone or you want to charge it by a USB, you can charge anything here. I like the fact that you can put it on the ground if you want to do it that way. This is a super nice light system for your swimming pool. It also comes with a remote control. If you're looking for a pool light system that does come with a solar panel so you don't have to waste electricity lighting up your swimming pool, I'd highly recommend checking out this set.